Hi guys, morning. Ngayon ay 4 o'clock at excited kami ngayong umaga kasi delay siya and gusto namin malaman kung ito ba ay panibagong baby, blessing ng Panginoon sa amin. So, mag-test siyang, bumili kami kahapon ng mga pregnancy test sa Watsons. Kita ba yan sa camera? Ayan. Yeah, lapit natin. Dalawang brand na yung binili niya para daw sure. Baka pumalya yung isa eh. So, yeah, buksan na niya. Ikaw na magbukas.
Kapit pa nga ako eh. Sige,
Sige, 1, 2, 3. Seriously?
Nakita ko na yung dalawa eh. Baby number 2.
Wow! Happy birthday!
Lord.
So, birthday ka ngayon today. And, ano masasabi mo?
I knew it.
Grabe! Seryoso?
Pregnancy anxiety begins.
And the pregnancy adventure begins again. And another set of blessings and challenges ahead. Pray tayo? Our dear Father, we thank you so much. Kanta, Daddy? Yay! Yay! Oh! Wow!
Remember ko?
Flashing fire engines. Alright. So, continuation ng ating video. So, kanina, nakita natin na positive ang ating pregnancy test. And Yang is pregnant. We are going to have our child number 2.
Baby number
2. And
two.
Kuya will be, Teo will be a kuya now. Nasagutin natin yung may naisip akong 3 questions for this video. So, una ay, what are we happy about?
It's Mike.
Are you happy? Yeah, also Daddy has a mic. What are we happy about? Tapos, ano yung mga fears and anxieties natin? And then, ano yung mga adjustments natin as we face this new adventure as parents. Ikaw, Mami, meron ka na? What are you happy about? What's on your mind?
Well, I'm happy about just the idea of having another baby. Dahil
Yeah.
sobrang cute yung mga baby. Kahit di natin baby na cute.
Yeah. This is a mic.
Yun, just that fact din na
Yeah.
I'll carry another life.
Life. Yeah.
God has entrusted me, entrusted us, another life.
Yeah.
Another soul.
Another soul.
So,
Dagdag dito kay K-Boy.
yun.
How do you take care of the baby? How do you take care
Sing
of
to the baby.
How do you sing to the baby? Huh? You
Na-
forgot? Na 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 na.
Ready na siya, hindi kuya. Nana.
Oo. Saka yun, naalala ko yung sa Psalm 127, the fact na sinabi nga doon na children are a heritage from the Lord. They're a blessing. So, yeah, the very fact na merong bagong baby, that's more than enough reason to be thankful to God. Saka yun din, yung naalala ko, you say sound check. Naalala ko yung naisip natin ng mga nakaraang buwan na
Teo.
yung iniisip nga namin kung sakaling next year wala pa rin kasunod si Teo, baka magpa-check up ulit kami, magpa-work up ulit. Kasi plan talaga namin na ayun, magkaroon ng dagdag pa ng mga anak. Kaya namin ng isa lang.
Habang bata pa ako.
Habang bata pa si Yeng. And ako din.
Dahil 30 na
Bata pa.
tayo.
Oo. Para hindi yung tipong sobrang tanda na natin nag-aaral pa, nagka-college pa yung mga anak natin. So, yun, thankful dahil di natin kailangan magpa-work up.
Why? It's a mic.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, so blessing yun ni Lord na nagbunga. Nandiyan na siya. Fruitful lang natin. Fruitful ang ating mga hormones. Meron pa? Meron ka pa? Nasa isip, mami.
Aba.
Ako, something to be thankful for is may kapatid na si Teo.
Yeah.
Magkakaroon ng kapatid. Kasi isa sa mga challenges din and desires din namin yung merong kalaro si Teo. Kasi nga, kahit sa labas, nakikita namin yung kapag na-excite siya kapag may ibang mga bata.
Feeling niya, kalaro niya lahat ng
Oo.
bata sa labas.
Oo. Siyempre, meron pa rin naman yung relationship between parents and
Ted, you like
child.
Ted?
Pare-iba din yung may ibang bata. So, we're so thankful for that.
How about
And-
this one, Joseph?
Oh, which one do you want?
This one?
Waiting in Wonder.
That's for you.
That's Mommy's book when you're still
You
inside
will read it
Mommy's.
when you
Mommy.
can understand it already.
Yeah. When you are an adult already, you're gonna read it.
Adult, pwede naman kahit
Oh,
hindi pa adult.
Sabagay. When you can understand already. Ayun, so thankful for that. Tapos, birthday mo, birthday gift, para kay Yeng, and then Pasko, year-end, and every year-end, nagre-reflect kami ng mga blessings ni Lord for the year, and this is definitely one of them. Na?
Yeah.
Doon. How about challenges? Or
Yun.
fears? O, syempre, yes, blessing siya. And at the same time, syempre, there's another side of the coin. Ay, hindi naman siya negative, pero that's just reality.
Just being
Na
human.
meron- Ha?
Just being human.
Yeah, just being human, part of
Fears.
having a family. Fears, anxieties, worries. Hindi naman sa magpapakain tayo dun sa ating mga worries and anxieties. Pero, yun, meron talaga makaharapin.
Yeah.
May naisip ka na, Mami?
Well, unang-una, yung pregnancy anxiety na I'm sure makaka-relate to lahat ng
Bob the
mommies
Builder.
na
Bob the
yun,
Builder is
every day
fixing.
nandun yung concern or worry na makakaabot kaya siya ng 9 months, makapanganak kaya siya ng normal, ng buo, lahat ng body parts. So, yun lang yung uncertainty ng life inside the womb. Kasi nga, hindi pa nakikita. It's just inside and just growing slowly. So, yun.
Parang bang nandun yung temptation na kung pwede lang na monitor mo siya, no? Every day. Kung kumusta na siya doon sa loob. Pero syempre, di naman pwedeng araw-araw, 24/7 naka ultrasound.
Kaya,
baby.
kaya doon papasok yung exercise ng faith.
Kailangan mo mag-trust talaga kay Lord.
To grow in faith talaga.
Yes.
Dahil siya na may nagbigay ng life kahit anong worry natin, kahit anong alaga natin. Siyempre, kasama yun. Pero still,
Speaking.
life is from God. So, it's also the one who will take care of it. Kahit hanggang paglabas
Yeah.
ng baby, pagtanda. Yun.
Yeah. Siyempre, on one hand, kailangan natin gawin yung responsibility natin. Di ba na
Oh, you're right on, mommy.
kailangan natin gawin yung responsibility natin as parents, taking care of ourselves, eating healthy, and yun yung challenge din. How to eat healthy foods. 'Di ba? Kailangan mo kailangan
Discipline.
kontrolin din discipline sa food. Pero syempre at the end of the day nga, ano mang gawin mo ng mga responsibilities, si Lord pa rin talaga may control ng life. Kaya very helpful ito sa amin nung kay Teo. Binili namin ito sa Amazon, Waiting in Wonder. Waiting in Wonder, a devotional journal. Growing in Faith, subtitle niya, Growing in Faith While You're Expecting by Catherine Claire Larson. So kung meron kayong opportunity, meron kayong chance na mabili ito sa Amazon, maganda siya. Kasi devotional journal talaga siya. I think every week ba? Every day? May mga-
week.
Every week. So may mga prompt siya, mga Bible verses na
Actually,
pinibasahin
every
ng
day.
mami.
Every week may theme lang.
Okay. And then, yun. May mga prompt siya na para makapag, it's gonna, yeah. Alright. Yeah. So here, you hold it. Here. Hold another book. Whoa, bedtime tales. Gusto na talaga yun. Sige.
Okay, sige.
So, yun.
Mas masyado
And
ano.
obviously, that's another challenge and fears and anxieties namin is yung how we would balance itong growing family namin na ito, may toddler kami. And obviously,
Energetic.
energetic, clingy, dami ng needs, kailangan talaga ng attention. Talagang everyday, nag-isip kami ano yung next activity niya, yung play for him, or something to teach him, and marami pang mga concerns. So, syempre, nandun yung concern na paano namin mababalance yon. Syempre, hindi naman pwede nakafocus lang kami dun sa upcoming. Kailangan patuloy yung pag-nurture namin sa kay Teo habang lumalaki. Syempre, yung family namin. So, yun, kasama doon yung paano namin i-schedule yung araw. We need a system. better system, better schedule. What? Oh, you don't need to turn it off. Mommy is using it.
That's okay.
It's okay. How about this one? Oh yeah, Daddy also has a mic.
Wala na bang extra ganyan?
I don't know if I have an extra mic. I think, but it's upstairs. I'm gonna get it later. So you can have your own mic. So yun, bali kailangan namin ng better system at kailangan namin talaga magtulong ng gusto. Okay, Dede.
What do you need?
What do you need? What do you need? What do you need? Oh. You want to speak
Just
also?
want to speak. What will you say?
Want to
What
speak
will you
also.
say about being a kuya?
Being a kuya.
How do you feel about it? You're happy?
You're happy? Hindi. Alright. Dede.
What do you need?
Dede. Okay. So, yun. Siyempre, kasama dyan na, yun nga, yung schedule. Kailangang i-balance yung sa trabaho.
Okay, din.
Yung, siyempre, yung time din namin together ni
Okay
Yeng
lang.
as husband and wife. Tapos yung personal life din namin, like yung faith namin, reading, rest, health, mga bagay niyo. So, yung pag-balance talaga ay magiging crucial. And definitely, magkakaroon ng mga maraming sacrifices. At alam niyo ng mga magulang na ang laki talaga ng mga sacrifices para sa mga baby, mga anak natin. And then, ano pa ba? Finances. No? So, sa finances, kailangan na mag-increase ang income, kailangan mas mag-budget, ano yung mga pwede pang i-cut ng mga expenses, yung mga unnecessary. But at the same time, dahil ang reality ay pamahal talaga yung mabilihin. Yun talaga ang kailangan. Ang sagot dyan, hindi lang mag-cut ng finances, kundi magdagdag ng income, of course, by God's grace. So, yun yung mga adjustments, mga fears and anxieties. And, meron ka ba naisip, Mami?
Ano naman? Well, yung mga, yun, physical, adjustment. Si Teo hindi pa nawi-win. So,
Alright, yun, Daddy, come on.
wala din.
Yun, Daddy. Daddy properly. It's okay.
Ayan na nga. Pinakita niya na hindi pa siya nawi-win.
May pikit-pikit na. Maya matutulog.
Yun.
Which one? What? What's that? Being distracted? Huh? Ayun, siguro yun nga, physical. If I can continue that, Mami. So, yung physical, dahil nga, syempre, nakapagod, and lalo na kay Mami Yeng, na may nahalagaan pa siya na baby na kailangan pang modo, yun nga, clingy. Tapos, syempre, nandun yung mga daily
Ito muna ako.
responsibilities. Sige, Mami. Daily responsibilities, mga chores. So, lalo na sa akin, on my part, I really need to do more para free up or ma-shared burdens namin bilang mag-asawa, bilang parents. Nakakapagod siya, kailangan natin mag-exercise, lalo na ako. hindi pwedeng maging sakitin din, no? And syempre, it's only by God's grace pa din. So, yon yung mga ilang mga challenges or fears, anxieties and concerns na hinaharap namin ngayon sa journey nito. Sabihin ako pero nakalimutan ko. So, siguro. Meron ka pa ba? Wala na. Now, siguro last question is, ano yung mga adjustments na gagawin
Parang
natin?
nasagot na rin natin.
Ha?
Parang nasagot na.
Siguro yung somehow yung pagkaroon ng proper schedule, and maybe I will need to be more strategic sa schedule. Like, yun nga, pag umaga, kailangan siyang palaruin, kailangan siyang makabanding, and siguro part doon yung thankfulness din na nandito ako sa bahay. Malaking bagay yon. And I'm a pastor, I'm a content creator, and dito lang sa bahay most of the time at bihirang lumabas. So malaking tulong yan na that's something that we are also thankful. Dahil magkasama kami, we can share responsibilities. Tapos yun din, sa ngayon, kaya na hindi nag-work si Yeng sa labas, so full-time siya as housewife and as a mom. Pero syempre, kailangan ng tulong pa rin ng isa't isa, and we need to be strategic sa schedule namin na hindi mapabayaan yung work and other concerns din namin. Ayun. What else? Kasi dito?
Pwede.
Come here. You show everyone you're still having to do. Oh, hindi ka pa nawi-win.
Adjustments. Ano pa ba?
Or how do you plan to make this pregnancy better than the last time? Perhaps something that we learned before. Siguro sa akin, if there's one thing na I would say, ano yung kailangan kong gawin to make this pregnancy better than last time is more sensitivity. More sensitivity. Kasi nga, syempre, bilang the husband, ay limited yung understanding ko kung ano yung nararamdaman ni Yeng sa bilang buntis. May mga times na noon na I think, yun, nagkakaroon kami ng misunderstanding, away. Kasi, on my part, ay kulang yung understanding ko sa kanyang nararamdaman na pag may sinasabi siyang pain, di ko na kailangan tanungin lagi na parang, ano ba yan? Scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the most painful. Kaya pag sabi niya talagang may masakit or nanghihina siya, then automatic na dapat yun na he needs my help. So, this time, seeing na yung pinagdaanan nga no last time ay challenging, then this time, I should be more understanding and sensitive to attend to her needs during this pregnancy for child number 2, baby number 2. Ikaw, mami.
Wala pa ako masyadong maisip dahil sabi nga nila, every pregnancy naman is different. So, I wonder kung how different it is from before. Kasi kung kay Teo naman, di naman ako maselan. Nakapag-work pa ako noon, work from home. Hindi ako yung may morning sickness. Ganyan. So, we'll see along the way kung paano mag-adjust. And ano rin tayo nun, naging strict din sa food. And sa paglalakad, exercise, yan, sa movement. So, yun pa lang naman iisip ko na just be faithful doon sa mga basic na bagay na yun.
Yeah. I totally agree. And yun din yung mga bagay siguro na gagawin pa rin natin. Like yung movements and then proper food. So siguro at ultimately, yung as for us, yung kinakailangan yung mindset namin na be willing to adjust, be willing to grow, and to submit to God's providence sa amin na ano man yung mga challenges na madadaanan namin ay nandun yung willingness namin to make the right adjustments, ano man yung kailangan. No? And imbis na, syempre, nandun yung tendency natin na given our weaknesses, lang mapuprostrate ka na lang, di ba, na you wish hindi ka dumadaan sa mga ganong inconveniences. But again, gaya nga sinasabi ng Word of God na count it all joy when you face trials of various kinds. And with this blessing, syempre comes challenges and trials, di ba? Pero the good thing naman as Christians ay alam natin na part yun lahat nung yung na pag-usapan natin kanina na transforming the pruning and the refining grace ng Panginoon na sa pamamagitan nito, we are being created and transformed into the image of Christ. And that's why ultimately, it's for the better dahil alam natin na ang Diyos pa rin naman ang siyang may control ng lahat at mag-encourage, mag-strengthen at mag-guide sa amin dito sa journey na ito. So that is why, yes, it's a new phase of adventure. It's filled with some uncertainties, pero we are certain na kasama namin ang Panginoon. So that makes it an exciting and thrilling adventure. So we'll see now ano yung mga harapin namin and ano ba mami gusto mo, boy or girl?
I want a boy.
For the boy.
Para may ka-wrestling si Teo.
Yun.
Pero okay din naman
Parang
kung girl para
balance.
may alagaan siyang
Ipoprotektahan
babae.
siya. Oo, na princess. We'll see. So, thank you guys for being here and watching our video. And then, we'll do our best as much as we could na i-document yung aming journey ng aming pregnancy para sa aming baby number 2 para makatulong din, maka-encourage, maka-inspire sa mga fellow daddies and mommies dyan dito sa dito sa Pilipinas. And we hope to see you sa aming next video. Bye-bye!
Bye!
Thank you! Say bye-bye! Say bye-bye! Bye-bye to the camera! Bye-bye!
Thank you!